don't know if we're gonna make it out. You better pray for us all. Because the way things about to go, it's about to be a third world country. I said this before. Many people ain't gonna make it. A lot of people ain't gonna make it out this one. People are getting their heads popped off. People are getting blasted for walking. People have lost their minds. People are starving. People are losing their homes. People don't have no jobs. People are tired. People are exhausted. Some people are committing suicide. Some people don't want to live anymore. What's left? It's like we're on the verge of a purge, an apocalyptic scene. And you can feel the energy, the pressure in the air, in the atmosphere. Something is getting intense. People praying and hoping for a rapture. But little do they know, you predicting those dates, the 23rd and the 24th. I got bad news for you. It ain't happening.